presenting their sham battle entitled From Darkness to Light, a Journey of Faith and Redemption. In the heart of a rural town, nestled amidst rolling hills and endless fields, a young girl named Krisha dreams of a brighter future beyond the confines of her humble surroundings. With aspirations as vast as the horizon, she sets her sights on a state university in the bustling city, Marawi, eager to pursue her education and carve out a path of her own.
Sabi ninyo, pwede magkasabay ang mga iyong director sana ng forma.
Kaya kayo.
Tayo na lang.
Amidst the eagerness and excitement of Krisha, she is also an introverted person. She has fear to socialize people and a shy type student. While walking in the school campus, a group of students approach her to join the ongoing prayer meeting in the gymnasium. However, on December 3, 2023, fate has a cruel twist in store for her and her newfound friends, as tragedy strikes in the heart of the school. An act of senseless violence shatters their sense of security, leaving one friend injured and another lost forever. Krisha stands amidst the chaos, her world crumbling around her as the reality of bombing sinks in. Tears blur her vision as she grapples with the gratitude of the lost.
Check ang mga boys. Mas critical pa man siya kontra tong gisakay nila og unsa no. Mas critical pa man ni siya.
with heavy hearts and shattered dreams, the city government sends Krisha and her fellow students back to the rural
Pero
hometown,
sila Ivan ba
where
do?
they seek solace and comfort in the embrace of rural mothers.
Dato man din ito MMA, oy. Months later, while Krisha just as begin to heal from the trauma, on February 6, 2024, around 7:40 p.m. at Zone 1, Barangay Masara, Mako, Davao de Oro, precipitated by the effects of shear line and through of low pressure area. Ah, ni bagyo, ni bagyo.
A tragedy strikes once more.
Wow!
The tranquility of rural town is shattered by the deafening roar of landslide, devouring everything in its path. Precious family home is engulfed in the relentless force of nature, leaving her alone and broken. Mako MDRM Office, Davao de Oro PDRM Office, Philippine Army, Mawag MDRM Office, and Mabini MDRM Office immediately conducted rescue and retrieval operations in the massive landslide at Barangay Masara.